What is up, guys? My name is Quantum FPV, and today I'm going to be talking about this thing. So, this is my brand new TP3. It's really windy out today, but I still flew it. It flew respectably, and the footage I captured was actually pretty good. It's rocking the 1303 5000 kV FPV cycle motors. I'm running it on 3S with the Mamba board. And I got the Mamba board because it has a Maiden F411 chip, which I can actually use for Flight 1 if I choose to do so. Now, it's also rocking a Runcam Split 3 Micro, or Nano rather, because I really, HT footage was a necessity for me. It's got the Rush Tiny Tank VTX in there. The pod is really nice, by the way. It's from Toma Quads, so is the whole frame. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the flight footage.